My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, vlogs. Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, vlogs.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're opening up some shoes.
Yes, y'all, we are opening up some sneakers and some shoes. We have a collaboration with a company called TideLocker. They reached out to us to do this collaboration, so we are so excited to unbox. We're so excited to unbox these shoes and sneakers. So what should they do, Faith?
Hit the like.
And what else they should do?
And hit that subscribe.
Before we start, y'all, please hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe right here.
No, up here.
Up here?
No, up here.
Over there?
Up here.
Over there?
Up there.
Oh.
Up there. Up there. Oh my God! It's in your face!
Subscribe right here. Anyway, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button. Share this video.
shining bright.
We are shining bright. Hey! We are shining bright. We are shining bright. Hey! Okay, so we're about to show you what we received, y'all. So I'm gonna start off first.
No.
Oh, you want to start off first?
Yes, that's my name.
She want to start off first and show y'all.
That's my name is on the YouTube channel for some technical.
We all know your name is Faith. We all know this your YouTube channel, Faith. Okay, so Faith is gonna open it up, y'all.
This is what the box looks like.
Look how cute this box is, y'all. I just think this box is just too adorable, y'all. And it's for children, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all the box. Okay. Okay, y'all.
And it comes with laces you can put on, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm
Okay,
not doing that.
so I'm going to show you guys close up what she received, y'all. Look at these Nikes, y'all. If these Nikes ain't too cute.
Oh my God, these are so cute.
They are so cute, y'all. So
look at this one.
I'm going to show you guys. These are so dope, y'all. So these are so dope. I'm going to show you guys the description on these Nikes, y'all. So let's check out. Let's check out.
Oh my God. It doesn't have that in that one.
It doesn't? Oh, these are really cute. So these are the Nike Dunks, y'all. So check out the gold Nike symbol. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
I'm loving the gold Nike symbol. I'm loving the laces. It comes with gold. And it comes with white laces.
And silver.
And check out the bottom of the sneakers, y'all. Look at the glitter. Look at the glitter, y'all.
Oh my God.
If these ain't vibing, they're vibe, right?
Yeah, if
And
you guys
then-
do not like this video, I suggest you guys to.
And I just want to show them the inside. They're signed by Sean Oliver. And the inside has his signature inside, y'all. So I just think these are really, really dope. Look at the signature in there, y'all. These are really cute, y'all. Sean Cliver. Am I saying it right? These are cute. I love the laces. It got silver, and then of course it comes with gold and white.
It feels so flat. You touch yours. You touch yours. It feels so nice. It feels so nice on the side.
It feels nice
Yeah,
inside.
feel it. Look.
Yes, they're really nice.
They're really
So if
fluffy
you
and
are
stuff.
interested in these Nikes, y'all, go to TideLocker.com and you're going to be getting 12% off on these Nikes. But you have to use code FM and get 12% off, okay? So go to TideLocker.com if you want to get these. They are really cute, cozy, and y'all know she's going to try these on, okay?
Yeah.
So she's going to try these on. After I show y'all mine, we both going to try these on, and we're going to model these, okay? Y'all know how we roll. Y'all know how we roll. So these are really, really, really dope. Really dope, really dope, really
I'm just
dope.
going to give you guys a hint. Never mind.
Okay,
Of
so
mommies.
I love the glitter at the bottom. It has the glitter at the bottom. These are really, really for kids. Sean Cliver, you really did this really, really great. I hope I'm saying your name right. Sean Cliver. These are really dope. So these are the Nike Dunks. Okay, so we're gonna put these to the side and we're gonna show them. We're gonna show them the next pair that we received. Okay, so these are the Gucci Double G leather high heel sandals, y'all. So these are what it is, y'all. These are really, really cute. I love the clunky heel. I love the straps. I love the double G. I love the platform. These are really cute. This is the other pair inside of the box. Okay, now this has a Gucci box, Gucci wrapping paper, and I'm going to show you everything in details about these Gucci Double G sandals, y'all. They are really cute. And of course you get a dust bag to put your shoes in. Of course. And of course you get the little leather. Okay, I just wanted to come a little closer so I could show you guys the details. It has the Gucci little plate there. It has the double heel, the double G. I love the platform. These were made in Italy, baby. Okay, so you see the little sign that says made in Italy. The little Gucci sign. It has a little Gucci print on the little buckle, which is really cute and unique. But we're gonna try these on. And I just think these are really giving. But y'all know we have to try these things on so I can give y'all my honest opinion. So I'm gonna try these on. I will have the links in all the descriptions. I will have the website. I will have the specific style of this sandal. I will have the specific style of Faith's Nikes. Hers was the Nike Dunks. I will have hers in the description as well. The style, the pricing, the color. And I'm going to show you guys this, okay? So give me a moment. And we're going to try these on. Y'all know what we do. We make it do what it do, baby. So we'll be right back. Hold on.
You just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
So me and Faith have tried on our
At this time, doing what I want.
and I'm going to say I'm gonna give it a 10. Those heels were really comfortable. I'm shocked. I thought my feet was gonna be hurting, but I did walk in them. They're very comfortable, maybe because of the platform. I don't know, but they were really, really comfortable. Comment below and let me know what you guys think about my Gucci Double G heels. Let me know what y'all think about Faith's Nike Dunks. So I'm gonna give them all a 10 overall. Comfortable, stylish. Faith loves some sneakers. They were really cute. So on that note, thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to share this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.